Don't think I need you to travel back and forth for now. You'll have to deliver other stuff. But for now, on the way 1,000. I already have like 1,000 science. It was fast. Hey, ran out of power. Okay. How can I make this power problem go away? Only by placing more accumulators? Okay, so we're gonna go with this stuff first. All this is expensive, yeah? Oh, I can make it on the... Okay, cool. I was thinking that this is Aquila science, but I guess we can make it sooner. And we can get recycling productivity, we can get blue circuit productivity and worker speed. This is a must-have. But let's do the basic one and then the infinite one. So now we need to solve the problem with our power consumption. I guess I'm gonna go and just place more what do you call them, more accumulators. I'm running out of batteries, that's to be expected. We need to take the batteries from everywhere, I guess. Okay, I've got 500 and I need some substations. Well, actually, let me go and drop them directly into the machine. I may have to build my own batteries. Batteries, yeah, copper plates, iron plates, and sulfuric acid. Okay, we're gonna finish the build over here. We can go and start thinking how to supply more batteries. Yeah, we need more recycling centers. Could actually, okay, I can die. Run faster. Don't get the lightning get us. Okay, save zone. So I need to place this stuff down there. I got 2 more lines. We can get more batteries. Yeah, the batteries are like running out. Yeah, no more batteries. But we've got like almost a full chest, so... The problem is I have to connect it over here. The output to get the batteries out, yeah? I did not plan this correctly, I suppose. I should have moved it to the left and use this space to get all of the good stuff like batteries, boost circuits, low density structures, and whatever else we need. So we have enough batteries for our supercapacitors, but we are not supplying enough for accumulators, but maybe it's enough. Yeah, we got a full chest over here, and it does not look like this one is... Well, we have to see, so we have to remember where it stopped. And I see it's decreasing, so this means we're not making enough. Oh, this is gonna be the first science we're gonna send, yeah? It's gonna be 4K, so this is gonna be enough for this amount of research. Okay, this time is okay. The power is not dropping down. So we have to take the battery somehow out of this chain. Where do I destroy them actually? I destroy them over here. So I could take them over here actually, yeah? Let's make some changes. So I guess it's easy when you have like a big piece of land and you can like on Navis you can plan a lot of stuff beforehand. and make adjustments and like make it perfect, but in this case when you can just place like 2 of them only, it's hard to move around. It's not easy to make adjustments, but it's doable. Let's start with you. If I'm gonna take a line, I can send it over here, and then we're gonna go over there, yeah? So let's do it. For example, like I'm gonna take the batteries out. I'm gonna send it here, and I have to put a splitter that's gonna do the priority stuff, like this. This way, and once this belt is full, okay, I need a steel chest. Once this belt is full, it should go back. It should go back over there. So okay, it's working. So I need to do the same stuff over here. I would like to have a full belt as an output. So it should be this way. Or could be this way. Okay, now how I connect you over here? So I can bring the belt I guess this should give us a little bit more batteries. I don't think a lot more, but let's see. So if I go by the numbers, that's at 0.1 from a single machine per second, We've got 24 of them. We all got 2.4 for one, so it's 1, 2 and 3 on top. It's like 5 times 2.4, and only one of this machine requires 2.5, so I need at least how many? At least one more recycle center for this guy, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and 2 more to supply enough batteries for these guys. So either way, I'm having a big problem with my batteries. It would be nice if I could craft them actually. We need to start making lightning collectors. It would be nice. Let me see. Can make them only in chemical plants. And we need sulfuric acid. Okay, and sulfuric acid is made out of sulfur and iron plate. Sulfur can be made out of petroleum gas. So we can make actually our own batteries. Do I have a chemical plant? Yes, I do. So this is sulfuric acid, and what about batteries? It's 0.62 even with a beacon. It's not fast at all. But what other choice do I have? I'll have to like scrap a lot more scrap, recycle a lot more scrap, or I have to build my own batteries. I think this is what I have to do. So let's think how I'm gonna like make a sulfuric acid happen. Sulfuric acid, this is petroleum gas, and we can get petroleum gas out of light oil or heavy oil. And I think the easiest will be from light oil. I'm gonna use some water, but we're not gonna like, we don't need a lot of it, so we should be fine. I'm gonna make petroleum gas. I'm gonna make sulfur. That's 2 per second, and afterwards we have to make sulfuric acid. It's gonna be 50 per second. Okay, 50 per second, that's a number. But we need how many batteries per second we want to craft actually. I guess we'll have to add things up. So 2.5 multiplied by 6, it's gonna be 15 plus 3, so it's 18 per second. And if we want to make 18 per second using beacons, we need to divide it by 0.62. Oh, that's a lot. That's like 29 chemical plants with beacons. I guess we don't need that much. At least we can cut it to a half. We can make 15 or even 14 because I don't like the number 15. That means we're gonna go 14 multiplied by how much is 12.5, but we're gonna go with a round number. So we need around 182 sulfuric acid per second. So we need 4 of these guys. And 4 of these guys require 10 of these guys. Oh my god. 10 of them? That's 300. And that's like a lot of chemical plants to make enough batteries. I hate this planet. I hate. I need to more. It's easier to make more recycling centers than to place this amount of chemical plants. 5 of this one and 10 to make sulfur. And 30 pieces to make petroleum gas. Actually, let's see the petroleum gas. Is there a better recipe? Well, there is a better recipe, but we don't have like oil over here. Let's get recycling productivity. At least one level and it's gonna be like huge. I'm gonna get a lot more materials. So my options are to actually place a lot of chemical plants or to make more of these recycling centers. You can bring scrap from this side, set up something over here, but I'll have to use belts. Don't like using belts. It's a wide area. Well, not maybe not the correct word, but the idea is that too tight of a space to go with belts. Okay, let's make our next tier of go. Or we are out of goods. That's to be expected. We're out of green circuits. And why is that? Because we sent the blue circuits down this line. Okay, the time has come to start the quality production. Have to think of a way how to make it in a different way. First thing first, let's make the best possible quality models at the moment. So oh, gonna need superconductors, of course. Guess I should move everything over here. It's gonna be closer for them to fly all the way around it, yeah? Oops. Let me make it over here. The chest over here. Yeah, the science production will stop. Batteries, where do we get more batteries? So we have to do what we have to do. We have to place a lot of chemical plants to make batteries happen.